Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Reaching Riches here. So today we're gonna go over RoundHill's YBTC. We're gonna see how they did for their trade week this week and what they're estimated to be paying out. So if we scroll down here, they are going to declare on the 19th, and they're going to be paying out on the 21st. So Wednesday the 19th and 21st, Friday is their payday. Alright, let's go straight into the slides here. So this is their CBTX 2335 synthetic. Last week, there is really no changes to the shares. So no, they didn't sell any, they didn't add any. So these all stayed the same. But last week's closing price was $20.59. This week's closing price is $20.04. So yeah, so we're bleeding more money here. So last week we were negative 2.1 million. This week we are negative 2.5 million. So yeah, we are hurting right now. We really need Bitcoin to rally. Hopefully Trump can tweet something to help us out here, because this is gonna hurt. IBIT, they have a 56 strike. Last week it was sitting at 49.43. No share count changes, so nothing added, nothing sold. And this week closing price was 48.14, so about $1 and some change lower than last week's. So that means we are bleeding more money. So last week we were negative 11.5 million. This week we're negative almost 15 million. Oh man, Bitcoin funds or just YBTC is just hurting right now. These synthetics are killing us. Alright, so let's move on to their short calls. The synthetics are just a dumpster fire right now. Short calls. There we go. We got some wins for short calls. Well, that's good. It's easy to win your short calls when your underlying is just on fire right now. So, they had strikes of 2180. Sorry, I didn't get the headers, but these are strikes, shares, average share cost, total premiums. So, they had the 2180s and they had the 52. So, for CBTX 2180, easy win. Starting the week off at 1955.08 and ending at 20.04.38. So that means we are out of the money still by about $180. So easy win there. And then our 52 strike, easy win again, because we started the week off at 46.99 and ended the week with 48.14. So it is going up, but not going up as fast as we need it to. So yes, we won the short calls, but we're bleeding on our synthetics. So so easy win here. Let's see what we're gonna get paid. All right, so with those short calls, we collected 1.4 million. We currently have 3.3 million outstanding shares, which means we're getting a 44 cent dividend, which is really good. But they underpaid last week, so we'll see if they're gonna underpay this week. Hopefully they do. 44 would be great, but not at the expense of NAV. I would never want to hurt NAV in a falling market. I'd rather them save some of that and pay it out at a future date. But yes, this is the number, so we should see 44 or less is what I expect. And our average dividend is sitting at 27 cents. Alright, so let's go into the charts here right quick. So this is YBTC, IBIT, which is our underlying, or at least one of our underlyings, YBIT, BITO, LFGY, BTCI, and CEPI. So, BTCI, top of the charts right now, at 7.46 or negative 7.46. And then CEPI second place. YBIT is actually beating BTC or YBTC we are beating our underlying, so that is great. Bito is doing terrible right now. And then LFGY, I really feel sorry for any of you LFGY holders. That is just a straight dumpster fire right there. I mean, they hit a low of negative 22%. Oh my god, and it's only been out like 2 months. I mean, this is year to date, but I mean, just look at them from January 14th until today, March 14th, so 2 months, and they're already down 18.5%. This is total return. So if we did like price return, I mean, you wouldn't really want to compare price return, but if you wanted to see it, price return is down. They hit a low of almost 30% on price return. Jeez, that hurts. Yeah, I would not want to be in LFGY right now. Really hope none of y'all are margin to the tits on that one, because that's hurting. Alright, so yeah, we are what, 4th place, YBTC 4th place, YMAX is beating us, but CEPI, BTCI, those are my top picks. Those are what I hold right now, and those are doing great. At least, I mean, comparatively, in the crypto space, they're doing pretty good. 1st and 2nd place. So yeah, so that's the charts. Really hope none of y'all are in LFGY right now. Alright, just a quick recap here. 44 cents on YBTC. Our synthetics are in the dumpster right now. So hopefully this 44-cent dividend makes the pain hurt less. Alright, so that's all I had for you guys today. Catch y'all in the next one.